Elias Wick LUTs is a flexible set of lookup tables that can be applied to post-process volumes and cameras to achieve truly unique visuals for your projects and games. With a collection of more than 70 meticulously crafted LUTs, you can effortlessly enhance the mood, atmosphere, and overall visual aesthetic. Whether you're a professional photographer, filmmaker, or game developer, these LUTs will empower you to achieve consistent and visually stunning results across the entire body of your work. Say goodbye to hassle and manually adjusting every frame or shot individually. With LUTs, you can effortlessly maintain a cohesive look and feel throughout the entire project, saving valuable time and effort. LUTs come with an example level that allows you to quickly test out all of the visual effects with just a few clicks in a neatly organized menu. This example level serves as a practical playground for experimenting with different LUTs and their variations, allowing you to preview and fine-tune your desired look effortlessly. With the optimized LUTs, you can enjoy a seamless editing experience, focusing on your creative process rather than technical complexities.